views are nice, and you can kind of do some high speed like chasing. Not in this section. This section's kind of rocky. I mean, let's face it, I'm not like the best dirt bike rider, so I'm not ready to just vomit through this kind of stuff. Still learning a lot of different techniques. There's plenty of guys out there that are far superior than me because they ride these dirt bikes and they can barely walk. But I'm just glad to be a part of it now. It was kind of the last thing I wanted to check off my list. Oh, that one was fun. Yeah, the last thing I really wanted to check off my list of off-road activities, and it just so happens to be kind of the funnest one I've done ever. It's just, it feels so cool. Just, I mean, always been, you know, always enjoyed mountain biking, but this is like mountain biking uphill. And just crazy the amount of stuff you got to think about. You know, you got to look farther ahead, plan your route, figure out how you're going to conquer an obstacle before you get to it. Just a lot goes into play, you know, trying to figure out which gear is best. Anyway, enough of that. You can definitely hear me behind him. Oh my gosh. It's so funny. And then he's like, when I can hear you behind me, it like pushes me to go faster. Woohoo! Ah! Ouch! Six. Yeah. Oh man. Sit down in those corners, man. Ouch! Woo! Dude, oh! Found my opening and I passed him, baby! Yeah! Oh my gosh, that is so fun! Oh boy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa! Turkeys! Hello, turkeys. There they go. The babies are flying already. Look at that. Oh man. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Sorry. That one just landed up here, running away. Sorry, turkeys.
hit those jumps. You're getting close to the road again.